Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you
First we need to cut it in half, and I'm going to use this half as the half that's going to be whole. I'm going to cut this half in smaller chunks. Okay, so we have some small chunks and we have a big chunk, and just slide it in here. Okay, so it's going right now. This is a really fun experiment that you can just do at home, and it's very neat. I got a few bars of ivory soap so we can do a few different experiments with it. That will be fun. It's actually, I'll show you. If you guys can see that, but it's expanding really big in there. I'll have to take out there a little bit so that it doesn't like blow up the microwave. But very cool how it does that. Very neat. Okay, so it just expands like that and it just gets big and bigger. Actually, I need to take it out and slow it down the microwave. This is awesome. Look at this. Look at that. Looks like a big fluffy cloud. Looks like a huge cloud of fluffiness. If I touch it, oh, it's hot. It's weird. How do I describe it? It looks almost like marshmallow. It's like, it smells like ivory soap. It smells like soap. Actually, if I wanted to, I could probably put this in a shower and would probably use it as soap. But it like just crumbles in my hand. It's weird. Ow! Some of it melted in there. I just touched a piece. Actually, look over here. You can see a piece of the bar. It was from the big chunk, and it didn't expand yet. You can still see the ivory wart on it. A little bit of it. The R and the Y. So actually, I'm going to put this back in the microwave and see if it keeps expanding after it's gone down. So this is really cool so far. And if you didn't hear me before, the reason the chunk fell off. Expanding again. But again, the reason the soap does this is because it has air pockets inside of it, and then when they get heated up, it just the heat wants to get out of it, and it just starts expanding until the heat can get out of it. Take it out again. Hold on a little bit. But if you guys didn't know, we just got puppies, and that is very fun. It's hard, but it's fun. Ooh, guys, look at that. It came off of the plate. It expanded so much. It's huge. It is huge. It looks like a cloud. No, I've said this before, but it looks so freaking cloud. Oh, it's harder now. It's harder, definitely. Weird. And this is an easy experiment that you guys can do at home. You just get every soap you can get for like 6 bars for like $3 at Dollar General. Like a dollar store or something. Ooh, it's so weird. Like the outside is hard, but then if you go on the inside, it's really soft. It feels like a cloud. Ow, it burns because it burns. It's awesome. This is awesome. I'm going to put this to the side, and let's get right into the next bar. And let's do something else with this one. Okay. Let me get another plate down. Actually, good, yeah. Okay. Back. So this time, let's maybe just put the entire bar in and see what happens. See if it goes faster. See if it goes slower. Okay. I think this is going to look really cool. I'm going to put you guys right. I should be able to see in there when I turn on the light, but let's go. You can probably see the bar expanding, and I think it will like burst open and start expanding. It's weird. It'll suddenly just burst. Oh yeah, it's starting. That looks awesome. Ah, it's like a cloud forming in my microwave. What? What? Oh my gosh, it's lifting up the bar of soap. Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. Here, let me take it out right now. I want to show you guys this. So what it did was, I don't know if you guys can see that, but what it did was the back exploded and then lifted up, and you can see the bar of the entire bar of soap on it. That looks awesome. Now let's see what happens if I lift up the bar. Ooh, it's really hot. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, so I'll put it back in. Just going again. Looks really cool. Keeps going. Like after it's done, if I put it out and it cools down, it'll go down. But then when I put it back in, it'll warm up and just expand. Again, looks awesome. There's a minute left on the microwave, and so I'm not going to leave it in for the rest of the minute. And we'll see. Ooh, it fell off the side of the plate. Dang it! Looks really cool though. I'm really going to have to wash the microwave out after this. Yeah, it's like getting everything in the microwave. 2 seconds left. 16, 15, 15, 12, 11, 10. Okay, it's like really expanding. It's like I feel like it's about to like push the microwave door open. It's so expanding. Okay. Ooh, it completely came off the plate. How am I gonna get this out? It just fell out. That's really hot. Ooh, that's a huge chunk. Look at this microwave. That's like got on the door, got everywhere inside. And I'll clean that up. Okay, so look at this actually. I'll see if I can cut it. That looks awesome. So like it looks almost like it really was like a cave almost in there. But in the inside you can see the word ivory in the soap. Here, I take that chunk out. Get another chunk out. Look at that. You can, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the word ivory is in there. Is the bar of soap. That looks awesome. This cloud awesomeness. I'm compacting it down tight. How they get that into a small ball? I can barely even get it down to like a small chunk. Like, what's it's crumbling? Crumble! Yeah, I'm making a mess. Ooh. Ah. Try to get some of it on the plate again. Okay. I need to wash off my hands. Just a second, I have to wash off my hands. Ooh, I have soap on my hands, so it helps. That looks awesome. Like, awesome. Okay, I'm going to play up here. These are our 2 experiments. Crazy. Craziness. That one's a lot bigger than that one. This one's small. Super small. 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 small, yeah, it's tiny. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't remember to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and comment. And when you subscribe, hit that bell icon, and you'll get notified every single time I upload. See ya!